Bahria town?
No, I'm in Bahria town now.
Oh, we're in Bahria town? It's like the safest part of Karachi.
Another city.
Oh, it's another city near Karachi.
Technically.
30 minutes away. Look, it looks modern. Yeah, like there's a Sydney. Sydney? Oh, that's why you call it Sydney Opera House, because it looks like that.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Alright, we're in, I think. Look, there's cameras. This is a safe area. Look, get these other buildings. So many buildings. Alright, let's go to the bird park. Vámonos. Look how beautiful these buildings are. Beautiful view. Like Dubai at all, but
like Dubai.
it's kind of like it's like a mega fake Dubai. Didn't I have
Dubai's fake too, though.
yeah, Dubai is fake.
That's true.
So maybe they made a fake city. I'm surprised. Look, all the high like skyscrapers are over here. That are proper. Yeah, fully maintained, and they're going up right now. Alright, we have arrived at our destination, Chirpy Bird Park. Let's go, hop out the pickup truck. Alright, let's go, vámonos. Alright, we're in Chirpy Bird Park. Look at this, there are birds all over. Look at that bird. Come here. Hello, hello birdies. Hello birdies. Where they go? Finished the tour. Finished the tour.
Here
The
at
bird park. The bird park. Pretty cool.